In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to switch the iPhone 15 camera to night mode so you can take photos or better photos in dark situations. So what you want to do is launch the camera, and on the camera app, if you're in a low light situation, you should see the night mode setting up here. Now currently I'm in a very well lit environment, and as you can see, when I put my phone down and cover the camera, it gets extremely dark and that icon disappears. So let me turn off the lights so we can see what I'm talking about here. So this is a relatively darker environment, although according to the iPhone, it's still bright enough to remove the night mode option. So let me turn off some more lights. So now, as you can see, we have a lot of darkness, okay? But we have a subject here that we want to capture, okay? Now here is the night mode option right here at the top, the yellow one. So if you tap on it, you can disable night mode. And if you tap on it, you can also enable night mode. Now, if you tap on this little arrow here, you have the option at the bottom of the screen where you can choose how much time you want your photo to take so it can capture as much light as possible. So my default was at 1 second, but then you can take this all the way to up to 3 seconds, which is the maximum. Okay, so that means once you do that and you have 3 seconds at the top here, just make sure you can see everything. The lighting is a bit poor, but it says 3 seconds here. Okay, so now when you're taking a photo in a low light situation, once you press the shutter button, you have to wait for at least 3 seconds. Now this works best on a tripod, but if you can hold the phone as still as possible, you can do it. Okay, so let's try and take a photo here in night mode. So this is going to be a 2-second photo. So want to go, tap the shutter button and wait as it captures as much information as possible, and that's what the photo should look like. Okay, so here's the subject and there's the photo. So you can see a lot more light was captured than what's available if you took an immediate shutter photo. Okay, now the bottom here, again, like I said, you can adjust the number of seconds you want to wait until your photo is properly captured. Okay, could be 1 second, and then you have a maximum of 3 seconds. Okay, now sometimes it might change. You can set it to maybe 3 seconds and then it changes to 2 seconds depending on what the iPhone thinks is the appropriate time, unless of course you want to go into settings and preserve your night mode settings. And to do that, I'll just quickly switch the lights back on. So what you want to do to preserve your night mode setting so that it stops automatically adjusting, just launch the back camera and then place your phone on a surface so that it's completely dark as possible. Then the night mode will appear, and I wrongly said that the maximum is 3 seconds, but as you can see, you can actually take it all the way to 5 seconds. Okay, so the maximum is actually 5 seconds. And then if you tap on this arrow, a menu pops up below. This is the night mode menu. Tap on it and then choose the setting you want or the number you want. Okay, maybe night mode off or night mode at 5 seconds or maybe 3 seconds or whatever. Then once you do that, you can now exit out of that and then go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to camera, tap on that, and then under camera, tap on preserve settings, and then go to night mode and enable that. So it says preserve the night mode setting rather than automatically resetting night mode to auto. So once you enable that, it's going to preserve your night mode settings. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.